Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you the great alternative for OptiFine 1.21.5. Let's get started. First, close Minecraft completely, including the launcher. This helps avoid any installation issues. Open your browser and search for Sodium Minecraft mod. You can download it from the trusted sites like CourseForge or Modrent. Look for the version that matches Minecraft 1.21.5 and click the file and download it to your computer. Next, search for fabricmc.net and download the Fabric installer. Run the installer and make sure you can select version 1.21.5, then click install, then press OK once it finishes. Now, download the Fabric API and make sure it matches the same Minecraft version 1.21.5. This required for Sodium to work properly. Now open your Minecraft launcher and go to installations and open the Fabric profile for 1.21.5 and click the folder icon to open your Minecraft directory. Now find or create the mods folder. Drag and drop both Sodium mod file and Fabric API into this folder. Go back to the launcher and select the Fabric 1.21.5 profile and click play. The first time you launch it may show a prompt, just confirm it and continue. Once inside the game, go to options, then go to video settings, and you should now see the Sodium performance menu, meaning everything is installed correctly. Now you have a powerful OptiFine alternative for better FPS and smoother gameplay in Minecraft 1.21.5. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.